Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix mouse freeze Windows 11. Open the device manager from the Start menu. In the section, Mice and Other Pointing Devices, right-click on the mouse and choose Update Driver. You will choose the option, Browse my computer for drivers. Then click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the desired driver and click Next to install it. Close the windows. Now access the control panel, and when you do, click on the line mouse. There in the tab, Pointer Options, uncheck the box, Enhance Pointer Precision. Click Apply and OK. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.